Hello everyone, if proximity chat is not working on your Arc Radius, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix proximity chat not working on Arc Radius easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here settings, you're going to go on to privacy and security, go into microphone here, and here you need to make sure microphone access, let apps access your microphone are both turned on. And once you're done turning both of them on, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that let desktop app access your microphone is also turned on here. And after that, you're going to close this up. You're going to open up the start menu again. You're going to search for a control panel, go into hardware and sound, click sound here, go into recording, and here you need to select the microphone that you're using as the default device. So you're going to right click on your microphone and make sure it is set to default device and also default communication device. I already have my microphone selected as default and default communication device. After that, click apply, okay, and then open Arc Radius up on your computer. And then you're going to go into audio settings and make sure voice chat input device is set to the same one that you set your Windows to. So just set the same microphone here to what you set on your Windows. And then you're going to come here at the proximity voice chat and you're going to make sure it is set to either open microphone and toggle to talk. And then you can just press your key to enable your mic and you can then speak in proximity chat. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.